Hey Tassis, so I wanted to show you that issue that we're having with scale. So I think I figured it out. I think it's because your map is no longer linked to your scale bar or scale. So this is our map, and if we go to the layout, here's our scale. Right, so this is how it should be. So I just want to test that this is accurately reflecting what's happening. So what I'm going to do just visually is just drag my scale across there. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. Okay, so now each of these blocks is actually 500 meters. So that is 100%. So we can go back in here. So this is just me checking that it works. So let's check, from the site, 500, 1000. Okay, there. Okay, so that's like 2 kilometers. So that is actually correct. Happy with that. That is working. Okay. So now I was trying to figure out how it happened that the scale was broken. If you click on your scale, you'll see that under the main properties here, it says map 1. That means that the scale is dynamically linked to this map. As with the scale, well, maybe this needs to be broken up. I think that is just needs to ungroup that. And let's click on that scale. Same thing here, linked to map 1. Okay, so now why did it break? How did it break? It's possible that this map was deleted and then re-added like this. I'm not saying that this is what happened, but this is a possibility for how you could have broken it. Not to say you broke it. Now look at that. Okay, we're at a completely different scale. Okay, the actual scale here is 81. Let's make that 80. Okay, so now that is 80,000. But what's happened here? It's not reflecting what's happening on the map anymore. Okay, so the actual scale is broken. So if we select that object, so let's select that scale, you'll see now it's no longer linked. So all we have to do then, if this is the case and it's a broken link between the scale or the object and the actual map, is you just go and select the map. There we go. Okay, same for the scale, numeric scale. That should go to 80. All right, so now if we were working backwards, change that to 50,000. Then it should be back to how it was. Okay, so somehow that the link between the object and the map was broken. So to fix it, all you need to do is go and choose the correct map. And that's pretty much it. So that should be working now. Let me know how that goes. Cheers.